So today we are going to talk about if as well as nested if function in Excel. So if function we use if we give a single condition, and nested if we use if we give multiple conditions. Uh, let's see how. So see, here I've given if the traffic light will be red, then it will be stop, or otherwise it will be go. So let's see the result of it. See, we got a result. In yellow it is go, and in green it is also go. Okay, so now let's apply nested if function. So here I have given two conditions, that if it is red, then it will be stop, or if it is yellow, then it will be ready, or otherwise go. Let's so let's have the result of it. So see, here it is stop, here it is ready, and here it is go. So thanks for watching. Let's meet you in another video.